What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Building Bricks here. Today we're going to be building Lloyd's the Green Ninja's Mech Dragon. It's set 70612. I'm not terribly sure how many pieces it has. I'm not sure if it's a UK thing or a European thing, but a lot of the boxes that we buy from the Lego store, as you can see, don't have the piece count or the actual name of the set under the set number. But yeah, this is a set I've been wanting to build for a while. I've been saving it. I've been collecting one mech at a time. But yeah, let's get into it. In this set, you have bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, and bag 4. And you get 2 instruction manuals and some stickers. So let's get into building. So here we have bag 1. I'm not too sure what part of the dragon this is actually. It's about middle body of the dragon. You get a few spare pieces. Bag 1 uses 2 stickers on the sides and these bits come up. I'm not going to get into too much detail because there will be a full review. Let's go on to bag 2. Guys, bag 2 is complete, and this is what we have so far. We have some of the back end of the dragon. I don't know if they're new Technic pieces or not for the dragon feet, but these pieces, because I don't do Technic sets, so this is as technical as the set building I'm going to do is probably going to get, unless I get into Technic after Creator and all that. Only 2 more stickers were used in this one, so I'm presuming all these are going to be used at the end. This one here, and it's obviously repeated on the other side. I can see why people have wrapped it around the Ninjago City because it's pretty huge. But yeah, more spare pieces here. But yeah, I'll see you in bag 3. Let's go. guys, I have complete the green Mech dragon. This guy is 60 centimeters long or 23 inches. A review coming out on the channel soon. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe.